Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Longfields Elementary, home of the Leopards in Forestville, Maryland. This is part of the Prince George's County Public School District, and such an honor to be my first school in Maryland. I've spoken in quite a few other states all across the country, but this is my first time speaking in this state, so definitely a special feeling, just getting to share my heart with various kindergarten through fifth graders, their teachers as well. And I'm here in the cafeteria where we had the one assembly on bullying today was the primary focus, but look at the heart first was like the sub theme, right? And it's so important that we do this because when we're talking about, seeing others for who they truly are, the same way that you see your best friend, it starts at the heart level. And our heart's as big as our fist. If we can let love, peace, compassion, kindness fully enter into here, we can turn this into this, right? Peace sign. One finger is ourself, the other is someone you're trying to lift up higher than yourself, but how you choose to treat that person, hopefully with love. But it's also two, because in just 2 seconds, right? 1, 2, one breath, one heartbeat, one word, one action, 2 seconds, we can do or say something so kind that it empowers someone, stays on their heart in a positive way forever, or conversely, you could say something so destructive in me, it stays in their heart in a very negative way for the rest of their life. And through a series of interactive stories, some motivational videos, the positive music, the physical props, all of that combined with the picture slides too, all that combined really hit home. There are a lot of pin drop moments today, and I know things that, really touch people's hearts. There's always a mixture of a little bit of humor, of course, but things do get heart heavy. And a couple students came up to me, even staff members, saying, I was almost brought to tears, and I said, that's okay. Tears are the sweat of your strength. It means you're starting to heal and feel again, right? It takes a lot of courage to go into that emotion. And if something did touch your heart, that means you have a big heart, right? So now it's up to us to go share that gift by how we choose to treat each other. And so part of that is seeing everyone for their heart first, but also for this as well. It's something I bring up in all my assemblies. It's such an important concept, but all of us, like what it says on my shirt, the word miracle, all of us have with the lines on our hands that the letter M. I trace one of mine here. Sometimes a faint line connects it. You have at least one in each hand, and that M, I do say, stands for Maryland. No, it stands for miracle. Maybe Maryland too, but upside down W, that stands for worthy, that we're all beautiful miracles worthy of love to both give it and receive it. But the problem that I keep running into is so many students I speak to, adults as well, sometimes they have never been told this, they don't believe it, they're maybe afraid to believe it even, and it's up to us to be that light to their heart, to encourage them, to know that there's a lot of opinions out there, but not all of them matter, right? What matters is what your true friends believe, what you believe, that we can rise above that hate, show the people that are really hurting some love, maybe change their heart, right? I always say that the biggest reason bullying happens is that hurt people, but healed people heal people, if we choose that. And, it's not always easy to, based on where we grow up and our environments and what we learn from others, but we know that we can always have that choice to hopefully make a difference that sometimes in just 2 seconds can change a life, maybe even save a life. So thanks for touching my heart. It was great to see all of you. Have a great rest of the school year. Hope to be back soon. Until then though, and as always, make sure to hit the subscribe button as you pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation, and feel free to visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart one school at a time. Peace.